Hi everybody. Today I have another Lash Scoop unboxing. I believe this is for July. I got my first one earlier this month too, but that one may have been for June. But in any case, let's see what we have. Also, I'm wearing some from last time. These are the ones called B. They're very dramatic. Okay, so let's see what we have this time. First ones I see are called Jockey. Is that how you pronounce that? Okay, and these are how they look. Oh, these are pretty. They're similar to the ones I'm wearing today, actually. But I think these are not quite as long. So these are Jockey. And the next pair is called Cindy. And they look like this. Take them out. Okay, these are Cindy. These are the kind that are kind of twisted at the base, so they're more separated. Those are pretty. The next pair is called Carla Liz. And wow, these are very different and kind of dramatic. Let's see. Let me take them out. Okay, that's Carla Liz. These are interesting. All right, that's number 3. And the fourth pair is called Lizzie. And this is Lizzie. Wow. These are a little thinner, but they're long and dramatic. And there's Lizzie. I like these. And all of Lash Scoop's lashes are very soft. Are they long or short? And the last one, oh, these are different. These are called SMQ. And they look like this. This pair is more tapered toward the inner eye and more flared out toward the outer edge. Okay. These are nice too. They might look a little bit more natural than some of the other more dramatic ones. Okay, so we got SMQ, Lizzie, Carla Liz, Cindy, and Jackie. Okay. So it's all 5 of the lashes that I got in this month's Lash Scoop. Thank you for watching. Bye.